Check out this brand new 18-volt turbo brushless blower from Makita. This blower is small, but it's no slouch. One 18-volt battery powering a brushless motor turns over 13 cubic meters of air every minute. With a max airspeed velocity of 187 kilometers per hour, which is just a fraction less than the 36-volt Makita equivalent. Dual controls on the handle, there's a variable speed trigger under your finger and a separate lock-off lever under your thumb so you can set and forget the throttle. I turned it around and jumped on a bike with it, and once I got my massive butt moving, it actually had the power to push me along. No worries. If you wind it up full tilt on a single 6 amp hour battery, you'll get 12 minutes of runtime. Wind it down to low, you'll get 72 minutes. Rubber grip feels really good. It's a really well balanced design, and at just over 2 kilograms, it's a gutsy little pocket rocket. If you've got any questions at all about the DUB184 from Makita, hit me up in that comment section below. And until next time, I'm Tim, and you're watching Sydney Tools TV. Beast mode.